Hello guys, it's me Debar back from the Wikipedia. Today in this video I'll be showing you how to install Windows 11 on any non-supported TPM device. So with that being said, you need to download Rufus, and once you download that, you need to open it. Now you need to be careful about the partition system, like mine one uses the GPT. Your one might be using an MBR, so you need to be careful with the partition. And then what you need to do is just get your pen drive into your device, select the ISO and then start. As soon as it's done, you'll see. Now it's a long process, so make sure, so it will take a lot of time, so don't worry about that. So once you do that, just download the ISO and you can just select so you can just select the settings, see it. Now I have already done, so as you can see Windows 11 is already installed, but to show you guys I will be installing it once again. I made a video previously on how to make a bootable device via Rufus, so you can check that out. Link will be in the description box below and also in the I button. But that being said, this would take a lot of time, and for the ISO you can have other ISOs too. You can download, there are many ISOs already out in the in the internet, so you can download them. So what you need to do is restart your PC and go to the boot manager. Now you can go it via the BIOS, or if you have any specific key assigned, like mine has the delete key, to get into the boot selection process. Now I'll select the generic flash disk. Now this is the generic flash disk which I'll put via the UEFI boot system. Once I do that, I'll get into the setup. My USB is already inside my PC, so it will detect like it's detecting the setup, and then I'll go to the installation process. Now there will be many complications, like I said, via the MBR and the GPT one, so do not format and be very careful while you are proceeding with these things. Now I am doing a clean format of my PC, so I'll be doing a clean install. Here is the Windows 11 setup. Now this is a no TPM requirement setup. As I said you previously, that you can find such setups in the internet and you can download. Also, if I get to upload it on my Google Drive, so I'll give the link in the description box below. So for that, I'll just select the settings like English India and stuffs. Be very careful with these stuffs. So I'll just find India, and then I'll just press next and just go to the setup. Now as I said previously, be very careful with the setup. There might be any problem with the MBR partition or stuffs, like it could be a GPT one, so it could be required to format your Rufus by the GPT, or if it's an MBR one, you need to require to set up via MBR format. Now I'll select the Windows 11 Pro. I'll go to next. Now this is a 64 edition, so I'll just go to next and I'll just go and install my Windows. I'll accept the terms and conditions and I'll click next. Custom Windows install. Now here is the thing. Now as you can see, I'll install in my partition 4, which is my C drive, and the other two, partition 5 and 6, are my hard disks, so I won't. Also you need to format, or if you're clean installing, then you need to format your partition which is a local disk C. Once you do that, you need to install it on that drive. Do not do anything with the recovery drives or something. Do not delete or format, just format the local disk C and install your operating system on that partition itself. Now once the installation process is done, it would take a hell lot time to get the process done. The TPM part is skipped as you didn't see any TPM warning. Now mine is a TPM 2.0 supported PC, but then the Ryzen 3 is not supported by Windows 11, since it feels like it's a bit old. So I really like the animations. I would be fast forwarding this part, so till then I will give you the description. So the main fact is that if you want to turn on, if your CPU is capable, you might want to check the list if your CPU is capable, and then if you want to turn on your TPU 2.0, you can definitely check my video on it. You'll get it in the I button or in the description box below. So if your PC isn't in the list of the Windows, then what you need to do is just install this one. Also, I have heard that they have some problem with the AMD, Now I'm editing this video after 2 to 3 days later, so I would say I had some minor stutters, but I won't say much, like not much to see. Now these are some basic settings that you need to go through. You need to sign in, you need to rename your PC and stuffs, but I really like the minimal UI here, the white one. I've installed Windows 7, 8.1, 10 and now the 11, but I would say like this, like starting from the animation to this looks minimal, this looks like very aesthetically very good. But here's the thing, I never saw my PC getting restarted 2 to 3 times in the process meanwhile. But then I feel like maybe it's a part of the Windows 11, or probably it's not supported by TPM, so it's happening like this. But no worries, it would be fine altogether. So I'll set up for my personal use and I'll just go through it. Also, during the installation I had tons of problems by the installation, so what I would do is I'll make sure that the installation, like the problems I incurred, I'll make a video on them, so that if you guys face any problem, then you can check those videos out too. So I'll make sure that I make that video and I'll put it in my channel, so make sure you are subscribed to my channel and hit the notification bell icon so that you do not miss out any videos. And if you have any problem, make sure you comment in the comment box. I'll make sure that if I can solve the problem, I'll definitely help you out. And also I'll help you out with some problems. I'll be making the videos very soon. So it's done. Now this is a pre-activated Windows, so there's nothing like, this is a clean one, this is a stable version, and this is it's activated, so there should be no issue. There can be minor bugs, but I guess we can fix it via the Windows updates, which you'll get regularly since it's a latest one. It took a lot time, I would say, but then the process was smooth. And I really feel like many people were saying that this wasn't the best best update, but I would say I really love Windows 11, and this is one of the aesthetically minimalistic, the best Windows, you could say. Like look wise, not I wouldn't say of the performance wise, but look wise it's great. Also my performance has enhanced a bit. I do not know if it's because of Windows 11 or not, but yes, it has. Now the start looks dope, and the whole Windows look dope itself. Like you can see the minimal, it also has a live wallpaper feature, which is amazing. Minor bugs here and there, but my stutters, but I would say the overall performance is smooth. I really like the Windows. As I said previously, it looks very good aesthetically, and it's a great experience, I would say. So I hope you like this video. Share this video with your friends. I hope to see you in my next one. Till then, you guys install Windows 11 on your device and subscribe to the Tech PD.